Good girl. Yay! Hooray! You want to do it again? Good job. Good job. Good job. Emma feeding herself peas and rice. Good job. Good job. Good job, big girl. How old are you? You're 7 months. You're only 7 months. Good job. More. Good job. Good job. Okay, now you're just biting the spoon. Come on. No more. Okay, you want to try one more time? Okay, one more time. Yeah.